Check out the video description for details. Friday, September 22nd, and today we're going to do this month's stock purchase for our kids' portfolio. A couple of stocks that we had our eye on was Apple, Activision, and Hasbro to buy this month. We're looking to build up on our portfolio, not add any new ones. Currently, this is what the portfolio looks like, and you can see stocks scrolling across the screen on the bottom of, those are the ones that we own. Those are the ones that we generally track on the show. So, of the stocks today, we went to get some Hasbro at about 92. When it was opening this morning, pre-market trading, it looked like we could get a steal at 92. Didn't work out that way. Hasbro's had a pullback from around 110. It's dropped off since earnings. Hasn't really regained. 92 I liked as a price point. Didn't quite get it. It's up today around 95. Still, anything under 100 for Hasbro we like to buy. So missed out on that one. Activision is another stock. Hard to get on the pullbacks. They're few and far between. But if we look, they were up, change chart here. They were up around 66, Activision was. And getting it today around 63 was a good price for us on the pullback here. So we got an extra share of Activision, added that to our portfolio. That one was successful. And then finally, Apple. We like where Apple's been pulling back lately. Got it at about a little over 151 today. Starting to come back over the last month since the announcement. I mean, it was upwards almost around 166, down around 151 today. So we thought this was a great buying opportunity. You can see the chart here a little bit better if I put it up there. So they've been sliding since their announcement of their last Apple keynote. Anytime there's a pullback in them and Activision, we like to jump on it. Hasbro under 100, we like that. So that's what we added this month to the kids' portfolio. Portfolio is starting to do better. It's up to about a 3% return. It's been much higher, and it's actually been, I think at our lowest it was 1%. So 3%, doing terrible for the year. I'd like to see it up to around 7-10% easy. So it'll be a rough half of the year, but hopefully we start adding to some of these lagging positions. They start coming back. We're talking Seagate is one that's down good. I don't know if I'm going to add to Foot Locker or not. Collectors Universe is another good one. So next month we'll probably target them, Disney, potentially some GameStop. Get those on the upswing. Hasbro is going to be in the mix. So each month we add to the kids' portfolio with, anywhere from $100 to $200. So that's where we're at. 3%. That's what I'm buying. AMD looks like it's going to be holding out on 13 there. So we talked about swing trade on that. Should be able to get it when it bounces back up to 1340. I can't remember the exact numbers I said on the show yesterday. So that's shaping up to be pretty good. Well, hopefully it comes true. Nintendo is another one that's pulling back. Might add to the portfolio there. It's just recently run up about 10%. So we're going to watch it as it pulls back a little bit here. I think it's down 5% since the 10% bump. So we'll keep an eye on Nintendo too. But that's this month's purchase that we did. Apple and Activision. Didn't get in on Hasbro, but always next month. So let me know what you think of adding those. Those have two stocks have performed very well for us in the kids' portfolio. Apple, 7-8%, and Activision in the 20%. So adding to them is always good. But that's it for today's show. We'll catch you back Monday. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already to get the latest investing news for gamers. Have a good weekend.